yobong amdana government ge service to bong amda Olympic yobong amda lebese masigi da makta koi life koi planning gi khudaba moina tawming ba any ama yes and every national level adu gi detail mayam do koi madu gi criteria kari ge do koi loigera ok loigera farm tawgera dukan thang our subject 12 class ki government school में top तारे commerce the government school में top तारे arts and the commerce the government school ना ऐकोई school भगवान जी मिशन लाओ मतलब देखने में top तारे अदुग drop out school नील हुए ना अपने फिर यहाँ parliament में पीक बड़ी report में हम तभी नमनी मणिपुर ना drop out से नहीं था मतलब फिर fast बोले जाएगा अदुग नौजिक school भगवान जी दुगी आहान बदल कोई साले तबदगी स्टेट की सेंट्रल की फिल्म ने कोई अनिल पैकेट बनी हान बदल स्कूल हुआ केंद्र के मथंग केंद्र अमुक अमुक करो 120 जी एग्जिस्टिंग है सिगी मतक स्कूल भगलन जी फेज 2 स्कूल भगलन जी मिशन 2 सिदई दाता केंद्र ममदा स्कूल अनि local kanda school sama kunuma hai de same like koina to school bhagana ji model du infrastructure smart classroom teaching the trainings kari kari mayam to kanda school bhagana ji simo koi anda ke January thadagi masigi school sama ga kunba amaga cover to ni hai ni gai mayam da lock again Madam di masih kita na bersih kau itu bersih, yang hanya lain bersih private school tu kerja tamu untuk bersih sih. Loina government school se lah kan ada tu lagi pass of the percentage loina position holder yang bersih. Arts commerce tu kerja kau itu dua bersih kau yang bersih. Kau ini kau yang nasi makan tu dia. Arwai kata school git hak tu git di fakalai. Right from the pre-nursery school pagalan ji ne yam ne kandi koi pre-nursery de ki kunna tawto di yada mina pre-nursery tawre to class 1 da mu som bu sida ne ko ni soina ris anu jide koi pre-nursery to class 12 of school pagalan ji ki local aur tawre aduna koi school pagalan ji ki sidai da college pagalan ji haida manam di school pagala ko lo school de ki lai ba mayam do takhlai ba mayam do college asu similar madugi infrastructure madugi teaching ki layer facility madugi expertise madugi mayam do leite ba yada bunina hai ba similar se koi school pagalan ji ki da mayam su thangbi re even waza sing se koi training to angang tambi ga da waza sing se koi star na dugi scheme dugi makha da foreign dugi expert mayam ko ro kan waza sing se training pihal similarly college ki professor sing lai ba kholi ba mayam se special kagi Prime Minister Modi ji ke dum ba new education policy ma kha so ko na so ko kan training people ko ko kan college pagalan si haidana ahan bagi wina ko ji ba crore ani makhai thadar ga college kunda masige ko thaba ho bani college kunda thaba ho bani aduna haidi ba kharase hai the scheme to base koi praja ki interest da aduga maroina horai ba education gi lam da so thawr ba area sing sanaroi gi lam sanaroi sing gi so thawr ba area sing aduga lai da ba essential sing senthol itaba suguma mayam sigi yenga kan ne koina sigi scheme khar si launch of si si tawjabni loina na yamna nuai taba hai batare akoi gi orphans jini nausin si masi si koi orphan school sing da government gi India government gi no matung ne le le ko ngai so le se koi no sa sai try ban bau si orphan school da tham nubi wa da power yo pi da thambi da noi thambi da sai kai pa ado sai trai pan gi hek matung da di moi se Try to do the confusion talk. When you game with the area, when a color the area, human problem. And the high vision see orphan school orphan homes in the whole about Makuishing do, Maraba, television, Bugi, Moyu in the Lajabi and another. I go see Mahutki Makada, 50 bedded young Kai, young Kai labor, building on my way. Then the same Sabatori, Adumadu, I call Moy with a Hennabu. Even high balance in Bugi Mogi, Hinnabu, be the way. Or Mangi Sabis of Ganguduna, skill development could hang. Skill development could hang them as I get really sports person in the period. Livelihood guaranteed. Madu Siki or functions. Madu Madu I don't know. Comes again. Ziki 50 in a corner and have nothing. A hand bagi pilot. Demand me Matuna, a funds lay when I was in which he ran a punch for a Matung Mogulate from the Jefferson Sakana. And the semi was mine, Mogulate from Sambiraga, Mogi Library, in Nanabu way. Government support of the knee, Hagman. Comes again. I think the pursue annihilate Ziki High River. Oh. Seeing Nungai Power Mana, Honorable Prime Minister Modi Makada, who is seeing Hana Napsagi saying pre-devolution. Another 5 years. Another 5 years, 2028 Hoba. Seeing Napsagi saying Manipuri Prajas in the freedom from Lagani, I love to say. The state government is launching 6 particular schemes to support the women from age 42 and above, 40 and above. Those women who are not getting any advantage or benefit from the government of India or government of Manipur, they will be provided with this 500 each for every month, and altogether 6,000 annually as a pension scheme. And another is we launched today Chief Minister's Farmers Livelihood Support Scheme. Agricultural sectors, horticulture sector has to be developed for future economic development in the state of Manipur. Very important. The Manipur is made of football, sports, not only in football, and we are the, the key producer of the sports person for the nations in the international level and the national level. So we are launching today for every village there will be one ground, one village, one playground. That also launching today. And another is we are launching today for the sports persons who are not having the degree of like Olympians, international standard and above, up to 45. They will be given a Chief Minister livelihood guarantee support scheme. All the players, those at this category, will be provided financial assistance, particularly for their livelihood activities through skill development, and it is a guarantee scheme from the government side. And another is school forgotten. Let us improve the school. The second 2O, the government has already started school Phagalanji missions in the last years, last regime, the last government. We have already covered 120 schools in 60 constituencies. But this school Phagalanji mission, we are going to cover another 120 schools more in all over the state. Now after launching this school Phagalanji, let us improve the school, the state government has achieved tremendous achievement in performance, particularly in government schools. Pass mark has been increased up to the 40%, and the dropout student has become nil, and the positioning in the competitive exams, Manipur state government student achieved first position holder in the arts and commerce, the subject. It is a unexpected. So that's why we are launching today another school Fagadanji 2.0. It will cover 120 school more. Another we're announcing today, launching today is the college Fagadanji. Let us improve the college. And another is very interesting, and it is purely human on humanity ground. Those orphan boys and girls who are nurturing and who are looking after by the orphanage schools, they live by as per law. They have to leave the orphanage school after achieving 18 years. These are the few schemes we are launching today with the coming of the New Year's 24. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Today also we are launching one very unique schemes. We have already launched one scheme constructing one museum for every recognized tribe of Manipur. In Manipur, we have constructed 33 museums. But along with that, today we are launching one library hall of each and every recognized tribe will be constructed from the coming January 1st.
Sir,
Thank you.
despite
In the beginning, I narrated something. It is now under investigation. Bombing operation is on and will continue. Somewhere, these evil elements trying to disturb the peace in the state. Both hill and the valley, civil society organization, government machineries, the old Imam, Paibis, or youths, volunteers are trying to get and restore peace in the state of Manipur, both hill and the valley. But unfortunately, today's incident in Skandangban is highly condemnable, and we will not spare, and bombing will be carry on till the culprit is arrested, and the nearest villages also has asked to bomb all the area. And I appeal once again with the coming of the New Year's, and this is running the Christmas. Please let us leave violence. Let us come to the negotiating table and let us start dialogue, and let us try to restore peace and normalcy in the state of Manipur. Thank you.